Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. I did just want to take a moment to welcome you to our CHM 131 course. This is an 8-week course. It is completely online, and all of our information will be given, all of our times will be given in Eastern Daylight Time. So please make sure that as you're working, you remember that, especially if you're in a different time zone. Please make sure if you need help working with your problems that we're working on, there are some tutorials and video links that you can use to gain assistance. The videos that are provided, they're all between 10 and 20 minutes, and they cover lots of different sections from your chapter. Um, Remember, the answers for the odd number problems are in the back of your book. So if you've got any questions there, please feel free to let me know. You will be able to find information about your textbook, what textbook we're going to use, and the lab materials on the announcements page when you sign into Blackboard for the course. I did just want to take a few moments to give you some information about maneuvering around the course page. Um, Please make sure that you look at my contact information that is there. Again, I am Miss Mary Antwi. Um, I've given you my cell phone number where you can reach me. If you need to schedule an appointment with me, we can schedule an appointment so that we can do a virtual appointment or we can schedule a face-to-face appointment. I've also given you my email address, which is antwim at faytechcc.edu. You can reach out to me whenever you need to. There are also some other ways inside the course that you can reach out to me. When we start this class on October the 13th, please remember that the census date for our course is October the 18th. So by that census date, you must have the sample test and the icebreaker activity completed. If you do not, you will actually be withdrawn from the class by the registrar, and there's no chance of being reinstated. Please make sure that you complete the introductory module, and I'll show you where your assignments are in just a moment. Please make sure that you've gotten that stuff in that introductory module completed by October the 18th. Also, make sure you pay attention to your attendance because we'll be using the assignments that you complete to determine your attendance. If you miss more than 20% of the assignments, then you can be withdrawn from the course. So please make sure that you keep on top of when your assignments are due and get those completed. If you have questions about how the course works, you can use the information on the How the Course Works page that is listed in Blackboard. Okay, so I'm going to share my screen with you so you can see the places that you should be clicking to find the information that you need. Okay, now on the side of your screen, again, you've got the announcements, you've got this how this course works, which gives you very detailed information about what you need to do in the course. It also gives you a link to the new student Blackboard orientation if you've not used Blackboard before. It talks about the graded components for the course and how to track your grade, and especially how to communicate. If you send me an email, please make sure you give me your name and let me know what class you're referring to, so that we can address any issues without any problems. Please also notice that the syllabus for the course is listed over on that side. It's right on under how this course works. There's a copy of the syllabus there and the course calendar for our semester. It is a very short, fast semester, so please make sure that you look at that information and glean the information there that's for you. Under the syllabus, you have my instructor information. Please let me know. Contact me if you need to. There are discussion board forums here where you can also contact me and it will send a message for you. To find your weekly assignments, you can click on the assignments tab and notice you have your introductory module. And again, all of these assignments have to be completed by October 18th. When you click that module, you'll see all the information there along with all the assignments that are due. You have an assignment summary which lists everything that's due for you there. You see your reading assignment and you get information on the test that you'll have to take using Respondus and Lockdown Browser. You will have to have a web camera in order to do this. You will also not be able to do this using a Chromebook. So you will need a laptop that is not a Chromebook in order to complete your assignments. You will also have homework assignments that are available for you on Modified Mastering. And there will be a link for that on this page. If you need support with Modified Mastering, we've got the links for Pearson support here for you. We also do have some classroom etiquette and tips for success for you. The sample exam that you'll need to take, again, requires a webcam. It is listed in that introductory modules for you to complete. And it also gives you the access for mastering chemistry homework. You do have to complete all of these assignments again by October the 18th. Now, once you have completed your introductory module, you'll move into module 1, which will cover weeks 1 and 2. You can see the assignment summary again, which will tell you when your assignments are due. You can find your reading assignments, videos for the chapter, your homework assignments that are for that particular module, and your labs that you'll need to complete. Okay. So under your assignments tab, again, that's where you're going to find all your work for the course. If you've got any questions at all as you proceed, please let me know. Please notice that our final exam will be open from December the 5th through December the 9th as classes end on December the 10th. Also, you've got the link for your discussion boards. You've got your introductory icebreakers forum that's listed there for you. You have your coffee house. You can chat with your classmates using the student coffee house one, or if you have questions for me, you can use the questions for instructor ones to post any questions that you have that I will respond to. You'll also find the discussion boards that are required for the semester on this page as well. So please make sure that, again, as you're following the assignments that you have listed on your course calendar, that you get all of those assignments submitted on time. You will have a link for your Mastering Chemistry. You can also see your grades and you can send out emails to me or any of your classmates. If you have any questions or concerns about this, just let me know. I hope we also forgot to mention, please remember that as you finish up your assignments for that introductory unit, that you make sure you pay attention as you get to the end of each one of those assignments. They will give you information about how to move on to the next assignment. One of those assignments actually gives you the password that you'll need to get on to your introduction to mastering chemistry, to sign on to your mastering chemistry work for the course. So please make sure that as you complete those assignments, you have a pen and paper handy so that you can write down that course code and that information so that you can get into mastering chemistry with no problem. I hope you all, again, have a good rest of the semester. Thank you so much for being here. have a really good semester. It is going to go very, very quickly. It is only an 8-week course, but however, as you're working, please feel free to let me know if you have any questions on anything. My telephone number again is 910-745-7167. You can contact me at any time. If I do not answer the phone when you call, that may be because I'm in another class. Please leave a message with whatever your concern is. Don't forget to leave your name and what class you're in, so that I will know who I am talking or getting information from, so I'll know how to respond. I hope you all have a very successful semester. I'm here to help with anything that you need assistance with. Please let me know if there's anything I can do to help you. I hope you all have a good semester. Thank you so much for being here. Have a great day.